Good morning and welcome to Zion. Even during COVID, it's busy.
Is he running away? Stop! Look at the car. Look at the crocodiles. Just to make the car. Snap.
For Zion, you gotta be aware there's two buses, one to get you into the park and one to get you to your destination. So that's where we're at now. We're hopping to the second bus. You have to pay to get on into the park so that you can get on the second bus. It's okay, the bus isn't gonna leave us. The area around the visitor center is really nice. There's lots of buses, plenty of bathrooms. It's clean enough. So if you're looking for a little break before you head up the trail, visitor center is pretty nice. But we're jumping right in now. Zion Lodge is about halfway up the canyon. It's a great place to stop because you can hike Emerald Pools on one side, stop and get a bite to eat, hang out under the red rocks, catch some shade. It's perfect. So that's where we're gonna be spending basically all afternoon because we got 2 kids. Of the hike, Upper Emerald Pools. I did not expect Lucy to enjoy this hike so much, but it's really perfect for kids. There's a lot of spots they can kick off their shoes. It's sandy. She kept calling it the beach. And now it's this cool, peaceful, shaded area. That's one thing I should point out. We're hiking this afternoon. It's like 2 o'clock right now, and it has been shaded the entire trail. The girls didn't make it. The hiking too hard, just put them right to sleep. Hopefully they sleep all the way to the bus. We're about to meet up with some family, so they're gonna party all night. They need their energy. Okay, before we get going to the marathon, you guys have to see how cool this Airbnb is. Here we go. Let's go. Cold water. What'd you get?
Can
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Hi guys. Come on, Ray.
We're here in the race village for the St. George Marathon. As with any race weekend, all of our plans are kind of up in the air. So far, only got one good hike in and a couple good drone shots. Today though, we're here for the main event. That is the kids' St. George 200 meter dash. And then tomorrow is the secondary event, which is all of our family running the St. George Marathon.
It's an unregistered runner. That's what we know. Don't you say it, I can't hear it, I get defensive.
And just like that, it's a wrap on Lucy's first race. Lucy, if you're watching this 18 years from now, congratulations, baby girl, I'm proud of you. Lucy, your medal! You give me 5?
I think she liked it for like 50% of the time.
Oh look! Are you a racer?
Big necklace, yeah.
Rosemary knows how to do a marathon.
I forgot the real cowbell. It's in the backpacking.
It's race day, and we got lucky. We managed to get a parking spot only like 2 blocks from the finish line. Let's go cheer on the in-laws.
What are we doing? I don't know. But if you're telling me that you found me out, I hate to be the one to break the news, but you late to the party. I've been dealing with myself my whole life. I know there's cracks, I know I'm not watertight. Did this have to be a fight? What are we doing? I don't know. But if you're telling me that you found me out.
We're just taking a break at the Cedar City Walmart. Letting the kids stretch their legs a little bit. Sitting in little chairs underneath a rack. Yeah.
Hold it.
Okay.
Maybe another hold it at this one.
Okay. There you go.
Because you want to pick it up.
No, it's okay. We can leave it.
Don't worry. Get it. I'll go get it. I'll go buy it.
Okay. Well, that's a little gross. It's okay. You're okay.
Maybe that was not gross.
No, is it yummy?
Yeah, it's not gross.
No, it's not gross. It's yummy.
I buy it. That one.
Okay.
Maybe this. Okay, maybe.
Okay, I can have it. Thank you.